Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the latest gear there is around. We have the latest iteration of the Intrinsic Tender series.
It's expanding.
It is, and this one's really exciting. I really like this one. So getting cheaper fractional silver particularly is quite difficult in this country.
Yes.
So the Intrinsic Tender team,
Besides some of the ones that Perth Mint do, you typically drop to like a 1/10 and they start to get pretty pricey. So this is an awesome size to see.
so the Intrinsic Tender guys have produced this ½ ounce, minted, so it's minted, it's not even cast, ½ ounce silver minted bar. And I think it's incredibly cute. And it's just
awesome.
It's just really well presented. Is it showing up all right on the white background?
Yeah, it's showing up all right. And also we'll be showing some close-ups of them as well.
So you've got the obverse and the reverse there on either side. So they're minted bars, which means they're not, I'm slightly wrong, but it works for all intents and purposes, where a cast bar, basically the metal's put into a shaped tin mould. When it cools down, it's tipped out, and it gets, quite often they get that loaf of bread look, or small cake look sort of thing.
Yeah.
Whereas the minted bar is taken from a sheet of metal, and it's just punched out all day, every day. They just keep punching them out. So this is the minted bar type. We don't have capsules that small, so they won't come in a capsule. They will come raw like that, but it will be one of the cheapest forms of fractional ½ ounce silver that will be going around. So it's a great product. It's a fantastic design, as you can see. We'll get Ruben to do some really groovy camera work with them, so he can show them off. 49 silver, ½ an ounce, made here locally in Melbourne.
The only thing I will notice different with these ones to the other larger minted bars is these ones aren't wrapped in a plastic like some of the other ones. I noticed you've got the glove on there to be handling them.
Yeah, that's right. And look, I mean, they're your metal. You don't have to handle them with a glove if you don't want. I'm going to. They are a frosted finish, so that tends to take a lot of the concern out when you do handle them. But yeah, they are available, and they're available right now, and they are fantastic. Grab them while you can.